Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we will be discussing the animated film which is the Wall-E released in 2008. Although it's a family movie, it teaches us many important lessons about science, technology, consumerism, sustainability, and caring for our environment. So now, let's call on Mr. Bulabos and let's begin with the first question. So, what major scientific or technological advancement was highlighted in the film?
The movie features advanced robot and artificial intelligence. Wall-E is a robot designed to clean up Earth garbage while auto-control the spaceship. Exhibition is also showcase advanced spacecraft and automotive machine that perform almost every task for human.
So, let's proceed question number 2. What benefits did this technology provide?
The technology made life easier and more comfortable. Robots handled cleaning, transportation, communication, and daily activities. It also allowed humans to survive in space after Earth become too polluted. However, there were risks. People become to depend on technology, stop exercising and thinking critically, and spend less time interacting with others. Auto also show the danger of giving machine too much control over human decisions.
So, question number 3. How did technology affect human relationship and society?
Okay. Technology made people disconnected. Most spend their time looking at screens instead of talking face to face. They became physically inactive and aware of their surroundings. Thankfully, Wall-E remind everyone about friendship, love, teamwork, and human connection. Yeah.
So, let's proceed the question number 4. What environmental issues were presented?
The film highlighted massive garbage, pollution, overconsumption, loss of lands and biodiversity, and neglect of environment responsibility. These problems remind us that wasting resources can seriously damage our planet. If I were one of the main character, I would encourage everyone to return to Earth earlier and begin restoring the environment. I would also promote recycling, reducing waste, and using technology responsibly.
Finally, the last but not the least. So, question number 5. What is the most important science, technology, and society lesson from the film?
Okay, the biggest lesson is that technology should improve our lives without replacing our responsibility. Science and technology are powerful tools, but they must be used wisely and ethically. We should involve access and concern protect the environment and remember that our choices today will affect future and generation.
That's all for our discussion about Wall-E 2008. Thank you for listening. We hope this podcast reminds everyone that while technology can make life easier, it should never replace our responsibility to care for one another and for our planet. Thank you everyone and have a great day.